Want to earn passive income online in 2025? In this video, I'll show you how to make money using CZ Affiliate, one of the biggest affiliate networks in the world. Whether you are a total beginner or just getting started with affiliate marketing, this step-by-step tutorial will guide you through everything you need. CZ Affiliate is a marketplace that connects affiliate marketers with top brands. Uh, you promote products through your unique links, and when someone buys, you earn a commission. Some brands on CJ include like Lowe's, GoDaddy, Grammarly, Samsung, Expedia. You don't need your own product, just promote others and earn. Go to cz.com, s- s- click on sign up and choose publisher. Fill in your details, name, website or social media, the niche, confirm your email and finish the profile setup. Make sure your website or platform looks professional. CZ approves accounts manually. No website, you can use a blog, Instagram, YouTube channel. Just show you have traffic or plan to create content. Once approved, go to your CZ dashboard and click advertiser. Here you can search brands by category: tech, travel, fashion, commission rates, country availability, EPC or earnings per click. Search for web hosting. You will see brand like you will see brands like Bluehost, GoDaddy, etc. Apply to join programs you like. Some approve instantly, other take times. Once approved, go to the advertiser and click get link and choose a banner or text link. You will receive a unique affiliate link. Copy this link and always use the right link. If someone buys through it, you get paid. You can promote links in multiple ways: blog posts, write reviews, how to guides, top 10 lists, YouTube videos, add affiliate links in video descriptions. Social media, use Instagram, Pinterest, or Facebook. Email newsletters. If you have a list, recommend relevant products. Landing pages, create sample page simple pages with product recommendation. Create simple pages with product recommendations in a blog post like top 5 website builders in 2025. Include your GoDaddy CZ link. Commission rates vary from 3% to 5% plus depending on brand. on the brand. Some offer flat fees like $25 per sign up. You can earn $100 to $500 per month with consistent effort. Experienced marketers earn thousands per month. Focus on high converting products in your niche and promote consistently. CJ pays monthly once you hit the minimum threshold, $50. You can receive payouts via direct deposit, Payoneer, or check in some regions. Payments are made net 30, meaning you get paid the month after the sale is confirmed. Choose a niche you know or care about. Pick products that solve problems. Use content to provide value, not just sales. Track your performance inside CJ dashboard. Be patient. Affiliate marketing takes time. And that's how you can make money with CZ Affiliate in 2025. It's free to start, and with the right strategy, it can become a great source of passive income. If you found this helpful, hit like and subscribe for more affiliate tutorials, and comment below if you want a video on CJ versus other networks.